Hi, I'm Shannon Grossi, a software trainer, and I'm going to show you how to use spell check in Microsoft Excel. So I have a file open which has a few words spelled wrong, and before I print it or send it, I should spell check it. You'll notice in Excel, unlike Word, it doesn't give you the red squiggly lines, but I still need to check to see where I might misspelled words. So I'll go up to the Review tab in the ribbon, and on the far left is my spell check. So I'll click on my spelling button, and Excel will start at the top of the workbook and kind of work its way down. So it found the word revenue, which was spelled incorrectly. So over to the right, I'll tell it to go ahead and change it to the word that it suggested in the list, which was the correct one. And then you'll see it takes me to the next word it thinks is wrong, which in this case is actually right. So I will tell it to ignore all instances of that word. And it took me to Germany, which I can see was incorrect. So change that. And then eventually it's done and I'm good to go. I'll click OK on that. I would then save it and it's all ready. I'm Shannon Grossi, and that's how to check spelling in Microsoft Excel.